Name any interval on 60 to 72 where the graph is concave down. Well, looking at this picture, it appears concave down between 5 and 7. It's also concave down between -3 and -1. Now, normally, I give you the graph and I say, hey, what does this look like at 60? What does this look like at 72? And when you do that, what you do is, let's just say I asked you what happens at 72. What you need to do is you need to find the period. You divide that into 72, and your remainder is going to tell you the behavior. Okay, so in this case, the remainder is going to be a flat 0. So at 72, this behaves like 0. So working backwards, I need to find out what a remainder of 5 would look like. So 8 divided into what is going to give me a remainder of 5. Now, there could be several answers here, but I care about what happens between 60 and 72. So if I start at 60, 8 divided from 60 is going to be a remainder of 4. So if I divide 8 from 61, I should get a remainder of 5. Let's just check. 8 goes into 61 7 times. 7, it becomes 56. You subtract, you do get a remainder of 5. Remainder of 5. So 61 and 5 behave the same way. So if 61 and 5 behave the same way, then 7 and 63 behave the same way. So we could choose the interval 61 is less than x is less than 63 is going to give me something that is concave down. Very strange problem. I wonder who invented it. It was me.